Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today's trick is called Red and Black Working Together. So to start with, I would hand the deck to the spectator to shuffle as much as they want. This trick is completely impromptu. They can do all the shuffling here to start with. You can even show the cards so they are well mixed. They are all different, just a regular deck of cards. You can borrow a deck as well. You can keep shuffling here. Now in this trick, we're going to do a little bit of an experiment with black cards and red cards. Now you might think that the black cards and the red cards don't get along very well. There might be some tension there or some rivalry kind of between those two groups. That's actually not true at all. The black cards and the red cards actually work very well together. And so you'll see in this demonstration how well those two groups work together. So in this trick, we need two piles of 26. So I'm going to deal off 26 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have two piles here of 26. I would then invite the spectator to slide either pile towards themselves. Free choice. I'm going to use a dice here just to make it random. I'll say 1, 2, 3. They slide this pile towards them. 4, 5, 6. This pile, just to make it random. So 1, so let's say they slide this pile towards themselves. This pile we'll just put over here for now. I would then ask them to take their pile and shuffle it up some more. So they're shuffling here, and actually while they are shuffling, I'm going to write something down on a post-it note here. So they're shuffling these cards. I will write something down. I'll place it over here. I'll do that while they are shuffling. They can shuffle these all they want. When they're done, I would give them one more choice. See, we're going to look for either black cards or red cards, and it's up to the spectator. So I would ask them, do you want to look for black cards or do you want to look for red cards? So I'm going to use a dice here. They can answer however they want. I'm going to use a dice. I'll say 1, 2, 3, they want to look for black cards. 4, 5, 6, they want to look for red cards. So we roll a 4, so they want to look for red cards, which is fine. So they've shuffled this pile. We're going to go through their pile that they shuffled, and we're going to count how many red cards are in this pile. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 red cards here in this pile. But that number could have been anything. It could have been 9 red cards, 12, 14, 17. Could have been anything based on how the spectator shuffled the cards. But we have 12 red cards in this pile. So what we're going to do to show how well black and red work together, in this pile, we're going to count down to the 12th black card. They had 12 red cards. We're going to see what the 12th black card is in this pile. So let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The 12th black card in this pile is the 10 of spades. Now keep in mind, the cards were shuffled by the spectator. They got to decide which pile they wanted. They got to decide if they want to look for black cards or red cards. If they had done anything differently, we would have arrived at a different card here rather than the 10 of spades. But keep in mind, while the spectator was shuffling the cards, I wrote something down. I just so happened to write down the 10 of spades. So that is the effect, guys, called red and black working together. Again, lots of free choices by the spectator. They get to shuffle the cards throughout the trick, but you're still able to find the corresponding card in your pile at the end. So I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Appreciate you watching as always, and I'll hope to see you soon.